In today's episode, we are putting three major cryptocurrencies under the microscope: Bitcoin, Chainlink, and Solana. I'll break down why these digital assets matter in the crypto ecosystem and explain why I believe they represent solid investment opportunities in this evolving space. Welcome to the channel. Grab some popcorn and drinks and then subscribe. In simple terms, Bitcoin is a type of digital money that exists entirely online. Unlike traditional money like dollars or euro, it isn't controlled by banks, government, or single entity. Instead, it runs on a decentralized network of computers worldwide. Okay, here are the basics. How it works. You see, transactions are recorded on a public secure ledger called a blockchain, which anyone can view, but no one can alter. Very interesting. Limited supply. Only 21 million Bitcoin will ever exist, making it rare like gold. Hence the nickname quote unquote digital gold. Ownership. You store Bitcoin in a digital wallet and can send it instantly to anyone, anywhere without middlemen. Why people value it? It secures borderless resistance to inflation and offers financial freedom. No permission needed to use it. While some school of thought share the notion that Bitcoin is internet cash, scarce, global, and built for the digital age. Now, let's dive into a detailed breakdown of Bitcoin advantages and explore why it deserves a place in your investment portfolio. Here's why Bitcoin stands out as a compelling asset and how it could enhance your financial strategy. 1. Decentralization and independence. No central authority. Bitcoin operates on a decentralized blockchain network free from control by government, banks, or corporations. Censorship resistance. Transaction cannot be blocked or reversed by intermediaries, offering financial freedom in very key, in politically unstable regions. 2. Scarcity and predictable supplies, as mentioned earlier. What does it mean? Okay, you see, it's anti-inflationary. Unlike fiat currency like pounds, US dollar, euro, yuan, Bitcoin supply is capped, protecting against inflation caused by excessive money printing. 3. Security and immutability. What does it mean? Blockchain technology secure transaction by cryptographic proof and records. Records them on an immutable public ledger, making fraud nearly impossible. 4. Global accessibility. You might be surprised to learn how Bitcoin is dismantling the financial world's status quo by empowering individual and institutions alike with tools for autonomy, innovation, and wealth creation once deemed impossible. How? By financial inclusion. You see, over 1.7 billion unbanked individuals can access Bitcoin with an internet connection. Very fascinating. 5. Edge against economic uncertainty. Store of value, often dubbed quote unquote digital gold. Bitcoin is increasingly seen as an edge against currency devaluation, economic crisis, and geopolitical instability. 6. Growing institution adoption. Corporate adoption. Companies like Tesla, MicroStrategy, and Square hold Bitcoin on their balance sheet. 7. Long-term growth potential. Network effect. As adoption grows, its value proposition strengthens due to increased liquidity and utility. Now, let's explore why Bitcoin is currently seen as a strategic investment and how adding it to your portfolio could unlock unique opportunities for growth. Diversification in today's evolving financial landscape. Okay, listen to this. High risk reward ratio. While volatile, Bitcoin has historically outperformed most asset classes over the long term. Plus 90 million % growth since 2010. That's incredible indeed. B. Technological innovation. Bitcoin underlying blockchain technology continues to evolve with improvements like the Lightning Network. I won't discuss it. Please check my channel. You're going to see this. Lightning Network enhancing scalability. While Bitcoin offers exciting potential, it's critical to understand the risk embedded to this ground-building asset. Let's unpack the key challenges and uncertainties investors must navigate before adding Bitcoin to their portfolio. You must know Bitcoin volatility, regulatory uncertainties, and technical complexities mean it's not without risk. Investors should assess risk tolerance, diversify portfolios, and prioritize long-term holding strategy. And now let's talk about Chainlink. What is Chainlink? Chainlink is a decentralized Oracle network that connects smart contracts like those on Ethereum with real-world data, enabling blockchain application to interact with external systems securely. Now let me break it down. What it is. You see, a decentralized Oracle network bridges blockchain with real-world data, e.g., whether stock price, payment, and confirmation. Purpose: solve the quote-unquote Oracle problem by securely connecting smart contracts, self-executing code to external data source they can't natively access. Check my video on blog and on Chainlink, please. It's very, very essential. Check my YouTube channel. How does it work? Okay. Uses decentralized Oracle, a network of independent nodes to fetch and verify data, avoiding reliance on a single source. Ensures trustless security by cross-checking data across multiple nodes. DeFi, lending protocol using price feeds. Insurance, automated payout based on real-world events. In short, Chainlink is the secure bridge between blockchain and real world. Okay, the question is, why Chainlink is a strong investment opportunity? Why is it a strong investment opportunity? Now listen to this. You see, essential infrastructure for Web3. I've also discussed Web3. Please check my channel. It solved the Oracle problem. Chainlink securely connect blockchain to external data, stock prices like I mentioned, and must have for smart contract to function in industry like DeFi, insurance, and supply chains. And then pay attention, this is key. Chainlink market leader. Over 22,000 projects, including Ethereum, Solana, institutions like Swift. Listen to that, Swift and Google Cloud rely on Chainlink decentralized Oracle network too, growing demand and adoption. As a decentralized finance DeFi, tokenized asset, and AI-powered contracts grow, demand for reliable Oracle will skyrocket. Chainlink is positioned to dominate this niche. Now, 3. Strong tokenomics and passive income. Listen to this. Link token utility. You see, staking reward is key. Earn 4 to 7% APY by staking Chainlink, creating passive income. Scarcity. A cap supply of 1 billion token. It's also in circulation. That means limited. Limit inflation. That's it. Chainlink isn't just a cryptocurrency. It's a mission critical infrastructure for the future of finance and automation. Okay, listen to this. Why risk exists. Its role as a picks and shovels of Web3 position. Link for sustained growth as the industry matures. Take note of that. Okay, let me take a pause. Sip your drink and subscribe if you have not. Okay, now let's continue. So, what is Solana network? Solana is a decentralized blockchain platform for scalability, speed, and low-cost transaction. It aims to support decentralized application, DApp, cryptocurrency, Web3 project, while solving common blockchain challenges like slow transaction times and high fee uses cases. Decentralized DeFi, which is decentralized finance DeFi, high-speed trading platform, e.g. Serum, and lending protocol, e.g. Solend. Then NFTs and gaming. Please check my channel again. I've discussed NFT in details. Low-cost mining and trading of NFT and blockchain games. Web3 and social app, decentralized social media and music streaming, audios. Then let's look at payment. Micro payment and cross-border transfer due to near instant settlement. That's key. This Solana token. Let's look at utility. Used for paying transaction fees, staking for secure the network and governance. Power the Solana ecosystem, similar to Ethereum. Then, why Solana matters? Why does it matter? This is key again. Solana addresses balancing decentralization, security, and scalability more effectively than many rivals. While it faces challenges, network stability, its ecosystem growth and technical innovation keep it at the forefront of blockchain evolution. Okay, let's look at the strong investment opportunity of Solana. High growth. Solana ecosystem is expanding rapidly with TVL, which is total value locked up by 700%. In 2023, institutional backing, support from giants like Visa, wow, Google Cloud, reduce long-term risk, mass adoption. Its speed and low fees make it prime candidate for mainstream use cases, that is payment and gaming. Solana offers a unique blend of cutting-edge tech, real-world adoption, and ecosystem momentum, making it a high upside investment in the blockchain space. While risks like network stability persists, its improvements and institutional partnership positions Solana as a long-term contender in the race for Web3 dominance. Now, let's look at the key metrics as of 2024. You see the price, in 2025 again. Let's look at key metrics rather. And let's look at the price in 2025. That's May when I'm producing this video. I'm producing May 2025. The price is at $177, though subject to change. It's fluid. Market cap is 70 billion. Top 5 crypto. TVL 4 billion, second largest after Ethereum. The TVL, you know what I mean. Now, I'd like to hear from you. What are your thoughts on the potential for Bitcoin, Chainlink, and Solana to replace traditional fiat currencies like the US dollar, pound, or euro in the future? Key, let me hear from you, please. Here comes the best part. Hit the subscribe button, smash that like button, and drop a comment below. You see, our mission is to unlock wealth, build game-changing companies, and create opportunity that transform lives. Let's make it happen. Together, we can do it. Bye now. See you soon. Thank you.